What's going on, guys? Super excited for today's install because we're finally going to be doing our very first performance mod on the Coyote. And you may or may not have seen on Instagram, but tuning is finally going to be available next month for the 21 Plus F-150s, which is crazy. These things have been out since 2019. It's almost 2023 and they've just now cracked them. Manufacturers are definitely making it a lot more difficult these days, but tuning finally coming next month. And I may or may not have put a pre-order in for a tune. Now, with that said, we got to finish out the basics on this truck. So we got the 3-inch catback, which sounds absolutely amazing, but we have not done anything with the intake portion of this truck. It's always good to go ahead and throw you a nice premium cold air intake on these trucks and then tie it in with a tune. Let's go ahead and see what we went with. Boom, we went with the SMB cold air intake. I was really torn between doing this or the PMOS because I did the PMOS on my 2017 5.0 Mustang and I really enjoyed it. It tied in with a Lund tune. It performed amazing. I had no complaints with it, but it's a lot different than the truck kit, and just comparing quality and looks and whatnot, I decided to go with the SMB. I had an SMB on my 2018 Silverado 5.3. I really enjoyed it, so I decided, you know what, Coyotes love mods. Let's see what the SMB will do on here, and then obviously, like I said, next month when this bad boy gets tuned, it should tie in together really nicely. With that being said, let's pull this thing up, get this install started, and see how the SMB looks, sounds, and performs. Let's go ahead and take the negative terminal off. Never hurts to kill power before doing anything. The 1/2 inch over here, I'll throw a picture up. It's gonna hold the box in. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out my filter because I'm a little worried it is toasted. Oh yeah, there's one down here on the throttle body. Loosen that up. Take this coolant hose off. Slide that out, and out she comes. Now I think all this just pops free and lifts out. So we've got our new intake tube here. We're going to be installing the new PCV attachment, and we're going to be plugging this one. This one does not get used for us 21 plus guys. If you got a 20 and older 5 liter, you will be using that. So that's a 14. This is a 3/4. Obviously this is plastic and that is metal, but it's attached to plastic. So don't go crazy with this. So you would think that would go all the way in, but we're not going to go crazy. So we're going to leave it sticking out like that. We're going to leave it just like that. So plugged and ready to connect. If you have a 20 and older, you use the step down. I guess us 21 plus guys got a bigger throttle body or something. So we're going to be using the same size coupler. Get that on. And we got 2 clamps. Place them the same way, easy to tighten them up. Let's go ahead and install the new mouthpiece on the intake box itself. It's kind of cool to see this design where the intake is going to suck air straight into the top of this filter rather than drawing it from the bottom like the factory one. We're just going to use push pins right here to ensure. Maybe this is what they were talking about, but it doesn't look like it in the pictures. So that's secured. Put this guy on here. Little coupler. So here's the grommet that was holding the stock airbox in. Go ahead and take the metal piece from the inside of it. We're going to work it in here. And we're going to take the metal piece on the inside, push it through. Just like that. Time to throw our box in here. You see these 2 holes. Well, you got 2 little nipples right here. These have got to line up with that for this to go in properly. That feels better, I believe. Make sure you put your filter in before you put the tube because the tube sticks in rather far and you won't be able to get your filter in. Don't ask me how I know. Just slide this in and just kind of sit it in at the bottom out of the way. All right, as you can see, this has got to slide in all the way to up here, so that might be fun. Let's see if we can get this thing snaked in here without snagging up on anything. Come on. find yourself having a coupler that is not long enough, that's because that's the one for the 20 and older. There is a specific clamp for that. It's the step down coupler. So make sure you have the right clamps for the appropriate year. Push this guy up. Solid as a rock. Take our PCV. Lock that baby in. Good to go. All right, let's take our lid. Attempt to not get fingerprints all over it, but you know, it is what it is. You can always wipe it down. SMB decal, it looks pretty sweet. Got this guy, we got a... All right, it's just a touch long, which is awesome. All right, now let's not screw it up by cutting it too short. Boom. Beautiful. That's a beautiful freaking thing right there. So let's go ahead, wipe this lid down, and then we'll throw it on top of our new box. Well, here is our finished product. Looks absolutely amazing. I know it's gonna breathe better. It's super cool how you can see the filter through here. Definitely gonna be ramming some air straight into there. Fit and finish, I would say probably a 9 out of 10. A little finagling to get everything to fit properly like the lid, but I got it done and it looks super freaking clean. Solid as a rock. Should breathe really good, especially compared to that freaking thing. So yeah, all I gotta do is throw the negative terminal on here and we'll be ready for our first startup. I'll get y'all what our current fuel economy is. That way we can do an update down the road. Let's see how this thing sounds. Feel it drawing there. And it's even something else. Intakes are known for changing your tone of your exhaust as well. She's freaking rumbling. So I'll let it warm up. We'll get some revs. You do have to be careful because a lot of people say this is a placebo effect, and honestly sometimes it can be, but I genuinely notice a couple things right off the rip with this thing. So for starters, initial tip in, you can totally hear some intake noise. Oh yeah. Initial tip in, you hear that drawing of air, almost like a little whistle. There, you can 100% hear it. I feel like it's a little bit more smooth, a little bit more touchy, not in a bad way because this truck is already pretty touchy from the factory. Throttle response just seems totally immediate, which was good before. Can't say for positive that it is better. You 100% can hear this thing though, and let's be honest, it has to be breathing better because with that dirty filter, it was like breathing through a straw, I'm sure. I've had the intake on for a couple of days now and I am still really enjoying it. I know this is not gonna have some huge impact that I'm gonna feel right here, but it's never a bad time to do a romp. We're not gonna do it from a stop because there's a car coming. We're just gonna floorboard this thing and see how she rips. Oh, it never gets old. Also want to try E85 in this thing before we tune it as well, see if there's a good improvement there, because this is a flex fuel equipped truck, so we can just throw E85 straight in it as is. I'm looking to do that real soon. But yeah, dude, that is the video on the S&B intake. As always, solid kit. Like I said, I'd probably, you know, I'd rate it 8, 9 out of 10 for fit and finish and everything, you know, being as is. It's a bolt-in kit, right? It works great. Fuel economy, I'm not gonna jump the gun. It's honestly, it's saying 17.9 right now, which is lower than it was from before we put it in. But I was doing dramatically different driving between the two times, so I'm not gonna say we decreased the fuel economy. I'm just gonna say I've been driving differently. Hope got somebody. But yeah, I'm gonna quit rambling. There is the video. It sounds great, it looks great. I already needed a new filter, so let's just go ahead and slap the whole kit on there. It's gonna tie in beautifully with dang, all state troopers got a clap wagon. Shout out to whoever you are. You maybe watch the videos. Got the Tahoe with a big whip on there. Never know. Anyways, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna quit rambling. Hopefully y'all did enjoy. Comment down below. Be excited. Tune coming soon. Also, a really large appearance change is coming very soon as well. Hint, hint. I will see it all the time and would be seeing it right now if it was on. So, super excited for that. Y'all be ready. I'll see y'all on the next one.